Here I have EssentielB HeYou 60, and today I'm going to show you how to check your IMEI number and also the serial number on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open the first method. You just have to open your phone application, open keypad on it and enter the secret code, which is *#06#, and here you can see your IMEI 1, IMEI 2 and also the SV number. That's not a serial number for sure. And the second method, just open settings, then go to the system, about phone, and here you can find all of this information. Go to the status, and here in the main information you have IMEI 1, IMEI 2, and also here you have your serial number. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.